So let's start. Apt get update and update. So it will update the repositories and this will upgrade the system. So I'll not do this now. And app means advanced packaging tool, package tool. So let's see, the next command is locate. We can locate some file. So we can locate the files like I want to search for word list. So let's search word list. It will show the menu of the word list. So let's see. You can see Metasploit here from Wi-Fi crack code, and there are many more. So, and the last command is about chmod, and we can execute some function like 700. It means data execute to admin, and to group 0 means none of the permission, and for others none of the permission. So we can give the file permission. See, LSL for showing the permission list. So the list is Catalan. Yeah, see, it has done basically read execute, and these are none all the files. Only the user can access this file. And LSLA, it will describe all the folders like hidden too. So we can see this is the history, bash history. This is the bash lockout. This is the bash original. So we can see many of the files. So let's do with Notepad, and we can see some bin boot during the installation. During we that usually have to define this, like it will the boot value or etc. like temp file or the bootable file. So the bin is the basic programming, and the boot is the kernel like grub, lilo, and the other files required for boot process. So etc. we have the configuration file like proxy chains, and home have the user personal files. It means that user can store his file, and the lib is for basic libraries. We can store our libraries too, and if you insert some CD drive, USB key, and so on, it will just mount as media. So media, and then some weird name like as number, alphanumeric something thing, and MNT for temporary mount point. Like we can put our drive and make it mount. So let's see about opt for extra application provided by third parties. Like uh, like I have installed some function application like many of the things. So extra extension provided by the third parties like Tor browser we can put in the off file, so we can use the application.